Nice, much bigger. This is the new bag, and this is what I used to have before. So you can tell there's a big difference in size. Looks like it has a handle right over here. That's pretty cool. Another thing that I noticed, now that I'm talking about a handle, is this right here. So whenever you have to place it on the floor, it won't mess up the fabric. You have some straps right here for your camera, so you can attach your camera. You have two, one on each side. Looks like a chest strap. Waist strap with a buckle. They both got buckles actually. Looks pocket right on the side. That's one pocket right here, and the other side. Here it is. Looks nice and comfortable. Has more straps on this side, and you can attach a tripod. And down here, you can bring this out, and it actually has a pouch. So whenever you put your tripod through here, it won't just be hanging, or you don't have to put it in here where your water bottle goes. You can put it through, and then it would, let me bring this up, it would just fit right in there. So that's pretty cool. If you don't need it, you can go ahead and has a Velcro right in here and push it back in. Nice and neat. The front, let's start with this over here. So this is a somewhat hard case right here. Has another bungee, so you can put, I don't know, whatever you need to put, jacket or anything on there. This is first compartment here. Again, this is somewhat hard, so you can put anything fragile in there. Next one over, which will be one of the main compartments for your camera gear. Right in there. It actually opens further, but you have to get the buckles, get them open. There you go. Looks like it has a mesh right over here. Let me show you. You can see it. The zipper. Two zippers over here, so you can actually access all your camera stuff a little bit easier. Little to protect it from the rain or weather. You can cover your whole bag. This is pretty sweet. So has that. Looks like another zipper over here with mesh, so you can see your stuff, whatever you put in there. Plenty of room on this very first area. Close this back up. Has another compartment over here. This thing is full of compartments. You can put more stuff over here. This one is actually padded, so you could possibly put a tablet or anything like that in there. And this is pretty neat over here too. It has like a little ID carrier, so you can put your ID. Right in here, another small pocket. Here's another one. This one has another mesh, and it has little holders here. You can put your SD card. You have for pens, another pocket, another larger pocket. The zipper seems to be constructed very well. So, I mean, they look like they can take some punishment, but there's only one way to find out. Here's another compartment, and this is actually the second main compartment here for your gear. Comes with a neat little waist bag. Look at this. This is nice. has a strap. You can actually remove the strap if you don't need it. You can use it to carry any other gear. You can use it as a lunchbox if you want. And there you have more stuff. Looks like a shoulder strap. More room. This is really nice. Nicer than I expected, especially the material. This material is pretty nice. Really nice. So you can set this up however you want. This is again your second main compartment that you got here. You got multiple dividers, good padding, good amount of padding in there. This little bag too has a little hard plastic at the bottom of it, so just in case you need to set it down. And I like the fact that it has these buckles here, just in case for whatever reason you leave one of those zippers halfway open, at least it will help out. Here has the side pocket where you can fit your laptop. I believe it fits up to 15 and a half, if I'm not mistaken. It's padded and it's right on your back, so that's where your laptop will go. So not only I'm gonna be able to fit my DSLR lenses and everything else that I might need, but also my GoPro and all the little attachments for the GoPro and the drone. I have the Mavic Air, so it's really small, so it's definitely gonna fit in there. And also I can bring my laptop. The bag that I had before, I didn't have room for any of that stuff. I mean, I had enough room just for the camera and a few lenses. So I'm very excited.